Unpacking the phrase, grind out, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the English language and explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, grind out. This phrase might sound a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding and be able to use it confidently in your conversations and writing. So, let's get started. Grind out is a phrasal verb, and it's used to describe the process of producing something or completing a task, but doing so in a way that is laborious, repetitive, or tedious. It's often used when the task at hand requires a lot of effort and persistence, even though it might not be the most enjoyable or interesting activity. For example, if a student spends hours working on a difficult assignment, they are grinding it out. Similarly, if a writer is trying to finish a book and they write every day, even when it's tough, they are grinding out their work. Let's take a closer look at the phrase, grind out. The word, grind, in this context implies a level of hard work and effort. It brings to mind images of machinery or tools working away at something. The word, out, in this context implies a sense of completion or finishing something. When combined, grind out conveys the idea of working hard and persevering through a task until it is completed, even if it is mundane or challenging. Now, let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. The football team had to grind out a victory in the last few minutes of the game. 2. She had to grind out the last chapter of her thesis before the deadline. 3. We need to grind out these last few hours of work before we can go home. In each of these examples, grind out is used to describe persevering through a tough situation to achieve a goal. And that's it for today's video on the phrase, grind out. We hope this explanation helps clear up any confusion and gives you the confidence to use this phrase in your own English communication. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep up the hard work, and don't forget to grind out your language learning goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.